So here's how to edit text on Squarespace. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First thing first, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, access your website's backend. In the Squarespace editor, then click on Edit and find the page where you want to edit the text. Look for the specific text you wish to modify. Most text content on Squarespace is editable, such as headings, paragraphs, and buttons. To start editing, click directly on the text you want to modify. The text box will become editable, and a toolbar will appear with formatting options. Now that you're in edit mode, you can make changes to the text. Simply start typing to update the content or use the toolbar to format the text as you desire. After making the desired changes, click outside the text box or press Save to save your edits. Your updated text is now live on your website.